Third set, Letran. Nakatapos lang ng kanilang huddle in between set. Our MVP on your screens, Maika Go. Her final year, game face. This could be her final game in the NCAA. And what a way for her to go out. So Basarte starts up again. Third set. So may na-warningan dito sa side ng Letran. So we finally begin set number 3. Difficult first ball right away. Ganyan din tayo nagsimula kanina lang. Jenny Basarte with the ace.
Ang bibigat na ng binibigay ng bola ng Benil. And hindi dapat mawala ang receive, especially dito sa Letran. Since kailangan nila maghabol.
Although, yeah, she cancels out the ace with the error, or with an error. Nates Villiers to start now for the Lady Knights. Their backs are against the wall. Can they stay alive in the match? Oh. Service ace.
Yes.
This time from Estrelier.
Balikan na to. Palitan na to ng mabibigat na serves.
And again in the season, this is actually one of the main weapons of the Lady Knights. They are on top of serving. Ondangan.
Oh.
Denied by the double block. So itong blocking na to ng Letran could find them a new rhythm here in the match. Kasi kanina pa nakakapunto si Christy Ondangan. Bihira nila napipigilan.
Ngayon, nababasa na rin yung mga palo niya.
Basarte. Katarig. Nitura. Benilde with her own block point.
And as you can see, hindi siya nagmi-middle ngayon, ha? Ang dama.
Yeah.
Grabe. Parang kahit ako nalilito na din ako, parang grabe, shuffle ni Coach Jerry yung mga players niya. Kahit saan pwedeng pumalo.
Ooh! De La Cruz. Lieses. Lumusot! 3 apiece here in the third set.
Mapapansin mo, sobrang dulas ng palo nito ni Lieses. Hindi pwedeng relax yung block sa kanya.
Ganda ng word nun, sobrang dulas. Kasi ganun talaga yung approach niya. At yung atake niya. Ooh!
Oh, that's a good defense.
Tatawid ni Maika Go. Oh! Oh! Again, master of the placement hits.
Nakita ko yung reaction ni Coach Jerry doon. Parang kung ako yung pumalo, kikiligin ako. Napangiti si Coach Jerry doon.
Bihira yun, ha?
Bihira.
Sa gitna ng laban. But Mike scores. She has 6 points right now. De La Cruz, single block by Ondangan. Nitura sends it away.
Nitura.
4 all. Judiel with the point.
That's a good approach right there.
One of 3 awardees para dito sa Letran Lady Knights. The other one, Vanessa Sari had 3 awards today. Best libero rin si Lara May Silva. Good pop-up coming from Estrelier. Oh, denied. Isa pa para kay Juliel. Isa lang yung dinaanan. Katarig! Deflected. Ball is still in play. And Martin!
Oh, Martin. Good dito sa Letran, kahit sinong ipalit sa kanila from the bench, talagang nagko-contribute.
Oo.
Diba?
Yeah.
Lahat, tulungan. Talagang team effort.
Ito rin si Yen Martin. Nagpapalitan kasi sa starting lineup itong si Makilang at saka si
Yes.
Martin. So,
Oh,
she had her share of starts for Letran. Pero ito yung nagiging sakit ng Letran ngayon.
oo. They really need to let their errors, especially this set na naghahabol sila.
5-all. At hindi ito ideal for Letran because you're giving a chance for Benilde to take the lead. De La Cruz. Katarig! Clydel Katarig is still going.
Sobrang taas ng palo niya, hindi talaga maabutan ng blockers ng Letran.
Nung siya yung babad para sa Benilde in the first round, siya yung #1 sa spiking efficiency. No question. Kasi halos lahat patay, ano?
Talagang nagko-contribute.
So that's Yen Martin, the spark of the bench for the Lady Knights.
Parang hindi naman from the bench.
Oo nga. And this is a good two-way player, itong si Yen Martin.
It's a good start.
Yeah. De La Cruz.
Katarig again.
10 points.
Wow.
Off the bench for Clydel.
Hindi pa siya yung
Katarig.
nag-start niyan, ha?
Yeah. And still, no reaction from Clydel. Judel. Basarte to Zam. Silva. Back to Nitura. Buhay pa. Martin!
Whoa! Martin!
Cross-court bomb for Yen Martin, who has now contributed 3 points here in the third set. 7-all. Lieses. Oh! Wash Lieses.
Sayang yun.
8-7 in favor of Benilde. And we go to this timeout sa kabila. Gleisel Galpos report.
What is up, mga ka-NCAA? My name is Christine San Agustin, and today we are at the SBMA Sand Court here in Subic, Zambales to witness the opening day of the NCAA Season 100 Beach Volleyball Tournament. Kaya tara, samahan niyo po ako.
Binuksan ang torneo sa parada ng mga atleta na sinabayan ng pag-awit ng The Clash Season 6 Grand Champion na si Naya Ambi. Dinaluhan ang opening ceremony.
So nakatutok pa rin kayo dito sa NCAA Season 100 Women's Volleyball Championship. Martin and Carly, kahit pakakatanggap lang ng ating mga manlalaro ng awards kanina, this day is not about the names they carry in their backs but rather playing for the names they carry in front. Kaya naman ang paalala ni Coach O sa kanyang kupunan going into this set ay huwag magmadali at huwag sabayan ang kalaban, especially remaining adamant about playing at their own pace. Sa kabilang panig naman, consultant Coach Jerry calls on his players to play with more grit and aggression dahil hindi na raw pwede itong palitan nila ng lamang, and it is crucial for them at this moment to create that separation. Martin and Carly?
Two different instructions or set of instructions from our legendary coaches. Maraming salamat, Gleisel Galpo. But for the Letran Lady Knights, it's now or never, as they face elimination here in the third set. Oh, Isar is denied. Zam Nolasco, our first best middle blocker, takes care of business at the net.
It's Micah.
Micah pala.
Yes.
Oo nga, double.
Si Micah yung nakahuli nun.
So, 9-8. Oh! Hirap nung habol.
Oh.
Service ace. Pumuntos pa rin naman si Zam.
Mabigat ang binigay niyang serve.
Yeah. 10-8. And this is still the problem for the Lady Knights. Their reception. Better one there. Vanessa.
Oh!
Outside.
Napasobra. I think kanina niya pati na-target tong down the line. The thing is, lagi siyang may blockers. Lagi siyang nauhuli.
Yeah. Coach O.
Trying hard na makaisa ka. Hindi mo nakita eh. Trying hard na bilisan. Trying hard na makapuntos ka agad. No, I don't need you to be trying hard too much. I want you to go with the flow muna kasi kaya natin sa labanan. Ang nangyayari, minamadali niyo yung bola natin. Gusto natin maalis ka agad sa atin.
Malapit na tayo. Huwag na tayo kumalo. Ha?
Makinig Natalie.
Sige, isa-isay natin. Isa-isay.
We also heard almost the same instruction from Coach O from Gleisel's report. As we see here, the run now for Benilde to take a 3-point lead. Yung wag kayong maglaro sa pace ng kalaban ninyo.
Oo. Kailangan yung sa pace nyo lang
Oh, yeah.
para makasabay din yung iba nilang kasama.
Oh, nicely done by Katarig. And Maika Go catches the back line. She now has 8 points. 12-8. 4 unanswered points for the Lady Blazers.
And targeting the long ball.
Okay. Set up. Sari. Bumalik. Niatura. Single coverage. Sari again.
Oh, finally for Sari.
Kanina di pa niya hinahanap yun.
Oo. Makikita mo sa itsura niya talagang kahit saan niya ilagay na talagang nahuhuli siya. But now, nakuha niya yung spot.
Vanessa Sari only had 3 points in the second set. Medyo matagal talaga siyang...
mag-init.
Oo. Here is Mikes. Nando naman si Isar. Balik sila kay Sari. Trap ball did not work. Back to Sari. Deflected. Basarte. Throws it to Maika Go, who gets the check.
I think it's check ball. Yes, check ball.
13-9.
Very smart. Maika Go, kahit anong iangat mo sa kanyang bola,
Yeah.
kahit pangit yung mapunta sa kanyang set, gagawin niya talaga ng paraan.
The lone graduating player nitong Benilde, Maika Go. Vanessa. They bring it to Nitura. It bounced off the net. Go. Blockers were there. Isa pa para kay Maika. Easy up. Back row hit. Ondangan was
Buhay
there.
pa!
Isa pa.
Oh!
Not over for Nitura.
Hindi nila to kailangan ngayon. Parang mas okay nang mamatayan sila ng bola nang galing sa kalaban. But yung sa sarili nila,
Yeah.
mas nakakawala ng kumpiyansa yon.
This is now a 5-point advantage.
Parang mas okay nang mamatayan sila ng bola nang galing sa
Advantage. Katarig again!
Oh! Wow! Wow! Katarig.
Now we're seeing some emotion from Clydel Katarig. Look at this clip!
Grabe.
And the Lady Blazers are fired up.
Kamay-kamay lang for Katarig.
Yeah. 15-10. Judel. Nitura scores.
Medyo nag-struggle din dito si Nitura makakuha talaga ng spot niya. But this time, nakakuha siya ng target.
siya yung kailangan din isa pang bumalik yung laro, no?
Oo.
At yung consistency.
Yes, especially this set na ha.
Yeah.
Kasi kailangan na talaga mag-stand out ng mga wingers nila. Oh.
Kinuha ni Mikes. Pasarte to Estoque. Nitura.
Oh, yes. Finally.
Smart play from Judel Nitura. Reading
Karoon
the
na
defense
ng
well. Yeah.
variations for both teams, no?
Better reads now, yeah. From both sides. Here comes the serve from Vanessa Sari.
Oh. Service error for Sari.
That'll hurt for Letran because they were trying to fight back. Technical timeout. It's a 4-point lead for Benilde.
Hello mga ka-NCAA, I'm Aliyah Fidalyaga, one of the courtside reporters this season, and we are here at the NCAA Season 100 Soft.
Back to our finals coverage. And our MVP in Season 100, Maika Go. Second MVP award for Mikes here in the NCAA. And what a special moment, joined by her parents earlier. Her parents, Maika Go and Francisco Go, in attendance, flew in from Cebu just to watch their daughter shine here in the NCAA. Ganda. Combination pala nung pangalan ng mom and dad niya, yung buong pangalan ni Maika. Meantime, back to the action. Zam Nolasco breaks her silence.
Makikita mo, hindi pa sobrang explosive ng mga, yan, yung approach niya, yung mga hits ni Nolasco, pero nakakapuntos.
And it's been like that for her all season. 17-12. We are only moments away from the biggest moment in the season. Not unless Letran
That's in.
can do something about it. Yen Martin has had a positive impact off the bench para sa Letran.
Nakikita mo, parang sinasabi niya talaga, bigay mo lang sa akin, ibigay mo lang sa akin.
Kaya medyo na papatagal ngayon yung pahinga ni Gia Makilang. Wewe Estoque!
Estoque. That's a great combination play.
How about this? Because Nolasco is a big threat on offense, Letran had no choice but to check her. Martin, bumalik. They bring it to Judel, also checked. Back to Martin. Nolasco. Estoque.
Oh, Estoque again.
Benilde is rolling here in the third set. And two players coming in after the timeout for the Lady Blazers.
May tao na dito. Ang dami na nun. Okay, walang problema. Sa'yo. Pag nabitin, huwag kayo balik. Hindi balik, magpapagpasa sila dito. Okay, kailangan nila ituloy yung set. Kailangan nila dalawa yung set sa maayos. Okay.
Letran, this could be their final push if they do make this push. Dahil 6 na ang abante dito ng Lady Blazers. And Ayadin Singh, Zen Basilio, both coming in for Coach Onyok and Coach Jerry. Oh, Another surprise substitution. This time for Letran, this is Padilla coming in for the first time. Basilio, the secondary setter. Nietura.
That's in.
Yeah. 10 points for Judel, and I think that's the first running
Yes.
attack that we've seen for her. They don't usually execute that.
But it's effective.
Oo. Panggulat man lang. Basilio sets up.
Oh!
Aya! Dinsing!
Dinsing,
20-14.
fresh from the bench.
Ashley SS will come in to serve. Frontline for Benilde, Go, Nolasco, and Dinsing. Multiple options for Basilio. Martin Gatigan keeps it up. Dinsing again gets the check.
Wow! Grabe. Ang ganda ng vibe ng mga galing sa bench. Kung mapapansin mo, parang hindi naman silang napahinga na matagal.
Yeah.
Talagang gigil silang pumasok.
And yun yung importante, they're matching the energy
Yes.
of the starters na yung mga veterano. Oh, Padilla, single coverage by Sam Nolasco. The first best middle blocker gives her team the 8-point advantage.
Hindi pwede ito kay Nolasco. Hindi pwede yung mga mababagal na bola.
22-14. Tumayaw. Colendra.
Whoa! Not yet.
Michelle Colendra using her power to get through this double block.
Ariel Martin now serving.
Yen Martin will start.
Good serve.
Oh, it's a nice serve. Basilio to Nolasco!
Tatlong blockers pa yan, ha? But this time, walang nakatouch ng bola niya.
23-15. Zam starts. Faulty pickup. Colendra, yes!
No, not yet for Colendra. Another one.
But this is gonna be a long climb now for Letran. Padilla will serve. Basilio, back set, Dinsing!
Wow, Dinsing!
And we have arrived
Wow.
at championship point.
It's a matter of heart and grit this time.
Benilde has 8 points to work with. And Dinsing will now serve for the championship. Tumayaw. Sari. Go. Sari says, hold on.
Not
Meron
yet.
pa kami.
Yes, meron pa. Nandito pa ako sa unahan.
So Letran able to save.
For number 12 and number 1, Nietura for number
The graduating player for Letran is Royce De La Cruz. So they'll have a different middle come season 101. Pressure-packed serve here for Estrelier. Mikes. Silva was there. Sari denied. Nietura
Oh!
drops it in.
Hindi pa tapos.
Second championship point saved by Letran.
Isa na lang.
Yeah, Benilde is ready to celebrate. Here's the pickup, overpass. Tatlong sunod mula sa Letran.
3 straight points for Letran. Ayaw pa nilang tapusin.
Again, Estrelier. Targeting it well. Nat has another one coming up. Another good serve. Could this be it? Undangan puts it down. And the 4-peat is secured. Your NCAA Season 100 Women's Volleyball Champions, the Benilde Lady Blazers.
Finally! Wow!
What a moment. For now, our 4-peat champions in the NCAA.
Championship point for Undangan.
Yeah. Tamang-tama, siya yung pinuntahan.
Yes.
Because this is easily one of her best games in Season 100. And bringing it out in a closeout game for the Lady Blazers. And they enjoy another championship here. Perfect farewell for their team captain Micah Go, who will be graduating with 2 MVP awards and another championship.